How's it going? So I roughly want to highlight how the Git Good Kids logic works. Look, you have an electrical problem and you hire an electrician to fix your electrical problem. Now the electrician comes in and he just electrocutes himself, and then he sues you for damages because he went and he electrocuted himself in your house. And the Git Good kids are gonna say, you're guilty, this is your responsibility, you should have told the electrical person that electricity is dangerous, provided necessary equipment, and told him that not to electrocute him, how not to electrocute himself. Alright? Do you understand? Now the first thing that comes to my mind is, isn't it electrician's job to fix electricity and not get electrocuted? Hello? Alright, Git Good kids, it's outside of their logic, so the same thing here applies. This trash is Diamond 3. He mains support and he is Trash main. Trash is his main champion. So he goes ahead and he just engages where entire team is not in position to fight. In fact, this choke point is too close to the turret. So what's gonna happen, he's basically straight up just inting. Because as you can see, the turret is still alive. His team cannot follow up. So all he's doing is just dying. An objective is coming up. So it's a very, very critical point in time. Okay? So he simply goes and ints. Now, by Git Good logic, they are saying, oh, Jackson, Riven, and the rest of the team should have pinged the support and told them that the turret isn't here and that they are not in position to fight. Therefore, it's somebody else's fault other than the support. Guilty. It's your fault that you lost. So, which begs the question, isn't it support's job to have map awareness, understand when to engage, and make sure that the teammates are in position to fight for the objective? Okay? So I went ahead and I asked ChatGPT, what does he think about the Git Good kids? So I put in the query, and there you go. There's the answer. I said, what is the level of intelligence of Git Good kids in League of Legends? And the ChatGPT is like, my man, no more than 9 IQ. These kids are toxic, should be banned from the game for reals. Holy smokes, all they do is int and stay stupid shit. Rito, please. ChatGPT can't be wrong, okay? Can't be wrong. It's in the query, you can check it out yourself, right? So video is finished. Easter eggs. Okay, so how was I able to do this? And it's very simple. If you understand, so basically, naturally, you're intelligent enough to understand that ChatGPT did not come up with an answer like this. I obviously wrote it myself. So, if you understand a little bit of HTML and CSS, I'd say it'll take you maybe 3 to 5 hours to learn. You can edit anything on a web page through browser debugging. So you see in here, well, I'll show you the whole process. So first of all, you click on inspect, okay, and it will, well, normally it will look something like this on your side. So it could be in here or it could be on the bottom like this. But bottom line, you need to get into elements. You see this thing in here, elements. And then you have to, this is where you need to understand HTML, nesting, and parent-child relationships. And you can find, but to be honest with you, you can just, let me just move it in here. You can just click on an element like this, inspect, and it will bring you to the tag where the writing is. And you can just double click this and you can edit. Hello, this is editable. You see, so you can change whatever is in here. Now, it's not going to be permanent because you're just changing the code. I'm not going to get into computer science stuff. It's just, if you refresh, it's going to go back to what it was, right? But I'm just saying that, you can edit anything, basically. Let's edit Normand Borlaug. So we go to Wikipedia. Here's Wikipedia of a very, very successful person. This person saved the world, actually. He's one of my heroes. Like, to me, he's a god, basically. To me, he's a god. But you see, we click on inspect. It brings us to the element that is displaying this name, and we can change it to, I don't know, let's say, Superman Norman. Do you see? And you can edit anything. You can edit the picture. So again, we go to inspect. Let's put, you guys like Pokemons, right? One second. Well, let me find it. I don't know. Okay, so let's do Pokemon. Pikachu, I think you guys like. So you just need a picture of Pikachu, right? So click on it. Right click. Copy image address. Make sure that it's working. There it is. So now, here is where you need to understand HTML, right? You need to find the right tag, and you need to look at the source. So we need to find source. One sec. Yeah, so there's the source. Oh my god, do I really have to do it this way? Oh, no, I'm doing it... No, in the wrong one. I think it's in here. Yeah, like this. And there you go. Here's now Pikachu. Obviously, you can adjust the width and height, so we probably want a bit more... We want to change the height probably, right? Let's do 2020. There you go, you see? Now, why I'm showing you this is because when some scammer is telling you, look at my trading account, look at all these figures, you have to understand this is very easy to simulate. I'll actually do it in front of you, one second. So there you go. This is a completely blank account in a trading platform. Again, same process. So let's say we want to create a profit. So we do inspect. This will bring us to hold on a sec, let us just find. Like normally the best way, when you're working with something like this, the best way is to detach it, to be honest with you. Or we can maybe make it smaller in here. I'll probably detach, honestly. It'll be easier. Let me just detach this thing. So we detach it like this. So now it's in a different window. So we are looking for div that has 0 in it, basically. After 0, 0, 0. Yeah. See, so there's the 0 in it. So it's probably this value here somewhere. Is it? Oi, 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 oi. Oh, it's entitled. My apologies. Is it? Is it entitled? Oh, I found it. There it is. Like there it is, you see. So we can change this value to, I don't know, 1,000,000. Let's change it to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I don't know, let's do 1 billion. just for the crack. Boom. So now you see your profit is now going to be $1 billion. So you'll be like, what's up guys, let me tell you today I'm going to show you how to trade cryptocurrency and how to make $1 billion in 20 minutes. So here's how you do it. You go, now naturally you wanted to make it look authentic, so you want to probably change the color of it. Because normally the color is usually red, right? So what you can do is you can just... Now this is standard HTML material, standard HTML. So we'll do style equals color green, like this. And then this should kick in, right? There you go, you see? Now it looks authentic, so it's, you just made $1 billion. And obviously we want probably balance to be also the same number, right? So we need to just make sure we're clicking on the right element. Okay. Yeah. So there you go, you see? There it is. Naturally, we probably want to just copy and paste this, but we can just double click it. But you get the idea, right? So what was it? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There you go. And that's it. You see, I can make anything in here. I can create transactions. Naturally, you go into transactions, accounts, and like you can honestly do absolutely anything. But again, as soon as you refresh, it disappears. But if you have the source code, you can make it that it does not disappear when you refresh. So what I'm trying to tell you is when somebody's showing you their magical accounts that I'd like make no mathematical sense whatsoever, remember it's very, very easy to fake stuff online. Okay? So just FYI, and yeah. So ChatGDP, I mean, I created the message myself, so I'm just saying that, you know, don't try to put the query in, you're gonna get a completely different response. Take care, bye-bye.